Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com. What are you waiting for? If you will not take action, you will not meet your wife, you will not create family, you will not have your life partner. Like, your life will be much more miserable in terms of comparing with a guy who takes action, who reads our book, How to Become Alpha Man, watches pickup online training courses, learns how to dance with a woman, night game program, invest into products from approach to sex, 5 different girls in the gym, same day bang, version 1, version 2, and our products in a row. You need to start to read the book, watch pickup online training course, because time is going really fast, days flying each by day. So you need to think, you need to step forward, you need to change your mindset. Currently we are moving to maybe we will approach some girls. It will be awesome. Even though if a day is cloudy, but still, it doesn't mean anything, because you go and you approach girls. And maybe that girl will be your life partner. Maybe that girl will be very good for long-term relationship. Maybe she will be very good regular sex partner. So just you need to take action. If you are not stepping out from your house, so you cannot meet, you cannot gain something. So you need to change your style, learn how to dance, change mindset, watch our examples, how we approach and meet. When you will see those examples in Pickup Online Training DVD, you will start to believe, because we will cover in that product all scenarios. For example, how to approach one single woman who walks down the street, how to approach 2 girls, because there are many situations when 2 girls they walk, and you need to know how to approach them, how to seduce. If you cannot believe that you could do that, believe in a system. There are steps, there are steps. If you follow those steps, you can achieve that. So because women perceive you in a one way, and if they perceive you in the right way, which we train, you gain alpha man traits, you in front of their eyes, alpha man, and they will exchange numbers. They will go out on a date with you. They will get physical with you. They will just will be a life partner with you, long-term relationship, wife. You will be able to have kids with them. So just you need to watch our products and learn everything. If our students achieve that, so you can achieve that as well. If we achieve that, you can achieve that as well. Just you need to take action and invest. So have a great day and invest into our products and training. See you. Bye.